How to add a pin to a board on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a pin to a board on Pinterest. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just search for the post that you want to pin it. And now here, once you have found that particular post, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown just below that particular post. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can simply find the pin option, or you can just long press on that thumbnail before entering that particular post, and there you can just select pin icon. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just select a board where you want to save a Pinterest image to, or if you like, you can even create a new board as well. And now here, once you're done with that, it will be saved to that particular board on Pinterest. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.